centimeter square into length. Let me take L. Length of the, or it may be height if the pipe is put like this, then it is the height. Cylindrical pipe, it is cylindrical pipe. So the height of the water in the pipe is this much, L length. Let me find out. This is L here. So L is equal to, therefore, 70 into 40 into 4 into 100 into 100 into 100, 3 times. This is in centimeters divided by 250 centimeters square. This is total length. Now, if I find out this is a total length which is to be covered by the water, or by the, water in 14 hours. This water has come in 14 hours in the pipe. This is the length, total length divided by 14 hours. If 14 hours is converted into centimeters, or this if it's converted into kilometers. Okay, this is in meters. Sorry, centimeters we have taken. So it is to be divided by, or let me convert this into meters. This is in centimeters, it's still centimeters. I will convert that into meters afterwards. First, let me take the word is centimeter per, or if I convert this into meters, then the denominator we will get 1 upon this 250 centimeters square by there, so it will be 1 upon 100, 1 upon 100. So if I take this only meters, let me take in meters only. Don't take in centimeters, but in meters, so that you can convert that into kilometer afterwards easily. The length is this into 1 upon 100 into 1 upon 100. Why? For 250 centimeters square, 1 centimeter is 1 upon 100 meter. 1 upon 100 meter. So this is now in meters total. Length is in meters now. So this is 100 upon 100 means 0, 0, 20, 5 2 and 5 5 and 520 times 40. 40 will come in the numerator. It is 70 into 40 into 4 into 40. This value has come as meters. This is in meters. Now if I convert this into kilometers, then, and let me write here 70 into 40 into 40 into 4, this much meters. Okay. Now in kilometers, if I convert this is in meters, divided by 1000, the 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. This is in kilometers now. Now it is to be covered in 14 hours. This water, this length was covered in 14 hours. That will give us the speed. So distance upon speed equal to time. Sorry, distance upon time equal to speed. So speed therefore is equal to, this is 1000 means 3 zeros, 10, 10, 10, 10, all the 3 zeros considered. This is 7 into 4 for the 16 for the 64, 7 into 64. Okay. 32 it will be. It is this much value, kilometers. Now therefore speed equal to distance upon time. Distance upon time. Now this distance was covered in 14 hours as it is given here. It is 7 into 64 upon 14 hours. Time is 14 hours given. Okay, so it is kilometer per hour. So 7 to the 14 to 32 times, 32 kilometer per hour. Speed is, this is the speed, is 32 kilometer per hour. Is the speed of the water in the pipe. That is the water flow. Okay, so water flows through pipe of cross section 250 centimeters square into a Cuboid reservoir of base 70 meter by 40 meter. At what speed must water flow through the pipe so that water level in the reservoir rises by 4 meter in 14 hours. So time is given 14 hours. In 14 hours, the length in the pipe was covered by water. This much length was covered. Could that length be a calculator, or distance? That is distance. So that distance divided by time will give us the speed. The speed is equivalent to 32 km per hour. Is the answer here. Okay, so finally this is on question number 5 completed. Let me take question number 6 now. What is question number 6 say? Let me check it. So question number 6. Now question number 6 says the length, breadth and height of a room are 10 meter by 5 meter and 3 meter respectively. What is the cost of papering the four walls, papering the 4 walls of a room if the rate of 75 centimeter wide paper is rupees 0.50 per meter? Okay, this is paper's cost is given. How much paper will be required to cover the 4 walls? That we have to find out. So first we have to find out area of the 4 walls, and that area, if is divided by the breadth of the paper, then total length of the paper will be calculated. That length is to multiply by this cost of the paper. Then the length of the length of the paper multiplied by this cost of the paper per meter paper. Okay, per meter, cost per meter of the paper is given there. This is multiplied to that length, then that will give us the total cost of covering the 4 walls by paper. Let me take this question what is given. So here we are given so dimensions of a length, breadth and height of a wall of a room. A room, we are given here a room of dimensions L is equal to how much? L is equal to 10 meter, breadth is equal to 5 meter, and the height is equal to 3 meter. Okay, 3 meter. Cost of 75 meter rate of the paper. Okay, now rate of paper 75 centimeter breadth, centimeter wide, rate of paper 75 centimeter wide is equal to 0.50, this is rupees, equal to rupees 0.50 per meter. Okay, per meter. This I have got the point. Now it says that length of the paper per meter is cost of the paper per meter is 0.50. Okay, so we have to multiply the length of the paper required. This is 75 centimeter. So what is the total length of the paper will be required for covering the 4 walls of the length? First area of the 4 walls is to be required. Length, breadth and height of the room are this and this and this respectively. They are given in meters. Respectively, what is the cost of papering the 4 walls of the room with the rate of 75 centimeter wide paper in this much meter? Okay. So to find here we have to find what is the cost, total cost of papering the 4 walls, papering the 4 walls of the room. Okay, rate is given here. Okay, so papering the 4 walls. Now solution. First of all, we have to find out what is total area of 4 walls. So area of 4 walls, or lateral surface. This is area of 4 walls or lateral surface. This is known lateral surface is equal to, we know this, 2 into L plus B, length plus breadth into height, square meter in this case. For here unit of the room is given in meters, meter. Okay, this is 2 into L is 10 meter, breadth is 5 meter into 3, height. meter. So this will be a square meter. So how much it is? 10 plus 5, 15 to the 30, 33 is 90, it is 90 meter square area. Now, what is the length of the paper? Length of the paper required. Now, length of the paper required to cover the four balls, is equal to this total length of the paper. So this is 90 meter. So this is total area of the walls, four balls, divided by breadth of the paper. Okay. So now this area is 90 meters square. So we have to convert this into 90 meter into meters. That means 90 into 100 into 100. This is in centimeter square now. This is now centimeter square, because this is 1 meter square. Meter means 100 into 100 divided by 75, because breadth of the paper is rate of paper 75 centimeter by it. This 75 centimeter paper's width or breadth of the paper is this. So let me just now calculate this. 15. 5 jar, 15 6 jar, so it is 15 5 jar and 15 6 jar 90, right? And 15 5 jar 75. So this is 5 times. So 5 into this is 20 times 100. Okay, so 2000 into 6. It is equal to 6 to the 12 and 3 zeros, 12,000 centimeters. Now if I convert this in meter, because this is per meter length is, so per meter, because 0.5 paisa rupees per meter. So let me now convert this into meters. In meters it will be divided by 100. So 1 centimeter equal to 1/100 meters. So this is in meters now. So those two zeros cancel out. This is 120 meters. So length of the paper will be required 120 meter length of the paper will be required. So what is the cost? Therefore, hence cost of paper used to cover the four walls is equal to area was 120 meters into cost is 0.5 only. So if I remove this point divided by 100, so this is 50 upon 100. That means 1 upon 2, so only 60 rupees. 2 6 times, which is rupees 60 only. Rupees 60 is the answer. So answer is rupees 60. Is equal to rupees 60 answer. So to cover the four walls with the paper, the cost will be rupees 60 only. Okay, so this is question number 6 we have completed. Now 7th question and 8th question I'll take after 5 minutes time, because now camera is full. Okay, so see you after 5 minutes time. After that we will cover the remaining 2 questions here. Okay, that will give us then final answer. And let me read those questions. What are the questions here? Length and breadth of a room. Length and breadth of a room are in ratio 4:3. Okay, the cost of which whitewashing, yeah, cost of whitewashing the 4 walls of the room at rupees 3 per 100 meters square is rupees 44. So simple. Okay, if the height of the room is 15 meters, find its length and breadth. For ratio of the length and breadth is given in 4:3. We'll consider that as 4x and 3x, length and breadth of the room. Okay, so 4x and 3x length are there. Then area of the 4 walls, whitewashing, the cost of whitewashing the 4 walls. Okay, so area of 4 walls lateral surface we will calculate in terms of x. Then cost is given to us. Okay, and because 3 rupees per 100 meters square, that is given to us. That total cost is given, that we equal to, equated, because rupees total cost is given rupees 44 of 100 meters, and that total area will be how much that cost will come out, and 15-meter height is given. So length breadth can be, because that will be the value in terms of x only. So x calculated. After that we can find out length and breadth. Okay, so this is question number 6. We will calculate it after 5 minutes time. The reason is time, there is no space in the camera. Okay, then see you then after 5 minutes.